Bank angle, bank angle, bank angle.
Overspeed. Overspeed.
Something's very wrong. It's now or never, babe. Get in position. Ignition in 3, 2, 1.
Smoke.
Dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Gee, you keep creeping up on me, man. I see you still haven't subscribed yet. Well, take a look at these ducks. They don't know what's coming. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Lloyd, where's that beautiful custom PCB you designed with the lights and everything? Well, truth is, electrical engineering is hard. That's why I leverage the power and affordability of JLC PCB to iterate designs. And quite frankly, it's shocking how fast they can get this to you from the other side of the world. While it is hard, with tools like AI and the lovely internet, this is the field you need to learn if you want to embed systems like I'm doing with our lovely trunk. Not that trunk. We're basically making our very own RC transmitter, and JLC PCB makes this process so easy. What's that? You don't want to solder a million components? Don't sweat it. JLC PCB does it with their eyes closed. Just select PCB-A on checkout and the board will arrive ready for testing. Click on the link below to go tinker around in Easy EDA and order your first PCB for pretty much just the shipping cost, which is also shockingly affordable. Thank you JLC PCB for sponsoring this video. This is it, baby. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's been a better part of a year now. I got help from the best Patreon supporter known to mankind. I got lucky number 13 magic from Javi. Sir Joseph Prusa himself sent me a magical printer. And Rumi even showed up to slay my demons. And I'm gonna need you to stay put for one more day. Just one more day. Tomorrow, you can give your mother hell. But today, I need you to guide her beautiful, steady hands to get the most epic drone RC plane footage of whatever it is that happens. Seriously though, she's 9 months pregnant and I got her walking around lakes, getting in front of harm's way to bring you the most epic RC drone plane footage on the internet. So if you don't like and subscribe right now, there's a special seat. What do you mean I can't say that?
Don't forget to like.
Tower Lloyd 13, short of 2-3, ready for takeoff.
Lloyd 13, winds 2-3, 0 at 5. Runway 23, you are cleared for takeoff. Godspeed, we're all counting on you.
Lloyd 13, runway 23, cleared for takeoff. Okay, here we go. Don't crash. Don't crash.
Stuck mic.
Don't crash. Don't crash.
Light 13, your mic.
Something's very wrong.
We interrupt this program to talk about 3D printers. I used to think I had the biggest, baddest 3D printer money can buy. So naturally, I was a little hesitant when Prusa Research reached out to sponsor the channel. I thought to myself, the day that 3D printers fly is the day that a Prusa printer will beat my state-of-the-art machine. Well, guess what? That day is today. And 3, 2, 1, go! Check them out, it's good stuff. You know which one it is. I'm not gonna say its name because they didn't sponsor me. But it rhymes with can-do crabs. Now I got the Core 1 printer from Prusa, and let's start with the unboxing. First thing out of the box, a pack of gummy bears. Whoever did this deserves a raise. Because what unboxing experience is bad when you're snacking on a pack of gummy bears? And yes, all printers come with gummy bears. But seriously, unboxing was amazing. I set it up on my DIY primitive table, thank you for noticing, and started printing a benchy. Walked away for a while and came back and I was kind of blown away. It printed perfectly, straight out of the box. No tweaking, no nothing. You see, that state-of-the-art machine I was telling you about? Yeah, well, I had to wait a week to get a PEI plate because the plate it came with was useless. And even still, I have issues now and then. Off-brand filament? Caca. Didn't dry the filament? Caca. Forgot to give it a pat on the back? Caca. I have quite literally tried to trip up this printer, and I cannot do it. I've used an off-brand filament I had sitting in my car for years, and it printed with no problem at all. And for the X-Hawk, Prusa was nice enough to include a roll of PA11 carbon fiber nylon, which has a much higher temperature resistance, and I have successfully printed multiple parts with, including the infamous motor mount. Now, I did have one failure, and it was the wingtips, but this was where it really blew me away. I printed both at the same time, and one peeled off the bed. Turns out it needed a brim, but I navigated the menu and was able to cancel that single part. So the other part continued to print away. As a matter of fact, I was kind of blown away my original printer didn't have this feature. So don't make the same mistake I did and get yourself a Prusa printer. Thank you, Prusa, for sponsoring this video.
Something's very wrong.
I thought so. What would you like me to do?
Go, go, go. Continue with mission. Lloyd 13, we're having a flight control issue. I have to maintain full left aileron to stay level. The autopilot, though, it's able to keep somewhat steady.
Lloyd 13, roger.
I don't want to rush you, babe, but we have to do this quick. Oh, wait. Flap. Maybe that'll help. Okay, no flying. We're just loitering now, waiting for the ducks to get into position. Hey, seriously, hurry. We have another problem. Battery is critically low. I think there's a battery malfunction. We're at 14 volts, babe. We need to go now. Screw the ducks, get the camera, let's do this. It's now or never. Let me know when you're ready. you have me in sight? Jello, do you copy?
Yes, go, go. I got it.
Going to auto. Did you get that?
I got it.
All right, let's land this thing. I'm gonna loiter for as long as I can. Then, you waddle your way back to the runway so you can get it, okay? So you're in position?
Yes, I'm in position.
All right, we're going to downwind and we're gonna bring it in. Wish me luck.
Chris? My water just broke.
What? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We gotta go to the hospital, dude. Let's go. Come on. Get your big ass in there.